This is SMW Travel at IT Park Ayala Mall, and this is the juice station that I've been raving about. That nobody seems to want to believe me, but check it out. You can get all of this different stuff here. You got it's it's very difficult to get like a lot of good vegetables, especially when you're traveling. So it doesn't get too much fresher than that. I mean, you got it still in the soil. They kill me when they say organic carrots, but there you go. You got ginger, turmeric, oranges, lemons, apples, charcoal. I mean, I don't see myself grilling any of that stuff, but it's there. I'm about to get some fresh orange juice, and I'm gonna probably get a gut health one. So I'm gonna get one with some carrots, lettuce. I can't pronounce this thing. What is this again? Sayote? Sounds Japanese. All right, but it's not. And I'm gonna have it with some carrots too, and probably maybe a little bit of lemon, just to give it a little bit more flavor. So they're gonna wash all the stuff for me, and then they're going to juice it for me, and then we're going to get another one of all the other stuff that I mentioned. This reminds me of when I was in Colombia and Panama Canal. Like I used to get fresh orange juice like every morning because it was like cheap. It was like $2 for like eight, like 6, 8 oranges, and they would just do it just like this. I may invest in one of these here pretty soon, but then I won't. Then they won't have all my business, so I had to come here for something else. All right, so I'm getting the orange juice. Which you're gonna get the fat burning one? Orange, apple, lemon, and ginger. Pause it. So we're getting the fat burning also, which is orange, apple, lemon, and ginger. Uh, so it's pretty much a whole apple, 2 oranges, a whole lemon, and a piece of ginger. Next door is a jewelry shop right next to the juice station on the second floor. Uh, that's cool. Michael Kors, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, all on one bracelet. That can't be real. And this is one of my new subscribers. She works here, just buying time while they're juicing all of our stuff up. And I promised that I would put her in this video. I think she's a little shy because last time there was a cucumber incident. And she doesn't want to be involved now. But she was playing with this cucumber, trying to explain it to me or something. And there was a guy came up delivering water. It was funny. It was funny. What's that?
You can pick one.
That one. Guess I'm the best customer now because I get like a lot of drinks. I even get some to take home with me. I don't know where it went. We had it over here somewhere. I got the carrot, the orange, the apple, and ginger. I'm looking forward to this. How much are the apples? 50? I might get one more apple. Go with one more. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. And carrots are supposed to be good for eyesight, and mine is horrible. I'll never forget. I don't want to get too political, but they said I couldn't get LASIK in the military, but I could get a sex change. I'm still a little upset about that. That's a true story, by the way. It would be very difficult to get that much fruit and vegetable. But to consume that which is not easy. Like you got to juice. You got to juice. You need like protein supplements. It's just almost impossible to get everything you need just from regular eating. Come take a look at this. I mean, that's a lot. And that's all going to go into a drink. It's going to digest so much easier. The one thing I am going to recommend they get is some ice. I don't know why they don't have ice, but I'm going to have to stop somewhere else to get ice, and I'm going to get a panini sandwich. All of this is under $20, and I'm taking one of them home. Oh, actually, it's what are we at here? We're about it's about 12 $13, somewhere around there. Wait, what is that? Wait. That's not bad. You don't even really taste the carrot. It's not bad.
You can drink.
Can I?
You want another cup again?
The cup situation. This 30 peso cup situation. I'm not happy about that either. And I'm their best customer. See how they do me over here? About $13 US.